DeWALT battery chargers use LED indicator lights to communicate your battery's charging status and alert you to potential issues. Understanding these light patterns is essential for proper battery maintenance. DeWALT chargers feature multiple LED indicators that provide clear visual feedback about your battery's status. These lights help you monitor charging progress and identify any issues. A blinking red light indicates that your battery is currently charging. The charger has recognized the battery and is actively working to restore it to maximum capacity. A solid red light means your battery is fully charged and ready for use. DeWALT chargers are designed with overcharge protection to maintain battery longevity. When no lights appear, this could indicate several issues. The battery may be deeply discharged, damaged, or faulty. There might also be a problem with the charger itself or a loose connection. A rapidly blinking red light indicates serious problems such as damaged battery cells, an unsuitable battery being charged, or faulty components inside the charger. Remember to always consult your specific charger's user manual, as light patterns can vary between different DeWALT charger models. This ensures you interpret the indicators correctly for your equipment. DeWALT chargers use specific light patterns to warn you about temperature and other critical issues that can affect charging safety and battery performance. A yellow light, either solid or flashing with red, indicates a temperature issue. This means your battery is either too hot or too cold to charge safely. The charger will automatically pause charging until the battery reaches the safe temperature range of 4 to 40 degrees Celsius or 40 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. When you see a yellow light, simply let the battery cool down if it's too hot or warm up if it's too cold. Charging will resume automatically once the temperature returns to the safe range. For any persistent issues or problems with your charger, DeWALT recommends taking both the charger and battery pack to an authorized service center for professional testing and diagnosis. Important safety warning: never attempt to reset the CID or current interrupt device in a DeWALT battery. This can create serious safety risks, including potential fire or explosion hazards. Remember, yellow lights mean temperature issues. Let the battery reach safe temperature range, and always prioritize safety by using authorized service centers for any problems.